What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to add a slow-mo effect to your Instagram Reels and TikTok videos using CapCut right on your smartphone. This series of videos will take a look at video editing techniques that you can use right on your smartphone without using popular desktop solutions. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So thankfully, free applications like CapCut make it really easy to add some pretty dynamic effects to your TikTok videos and Instagram Reels. To get started for adding slow-mo to your clips in CapCut, what you want to do is make sure that the clip is loaded up in your timeline. And then from there, what you want to do is hit the clip. And then you'll notice at the bottom the effects control panel will load up on CapCut. From there you want to hit speed, and then you'll get two more options here, normal or curve, and you want to hit curve here. Here you can choose between different curves that leads to different effects that you have on CapCut that you probably have seen on TikTok or Instagram. You want to hit custom here, and then you want to slide all of the sliders in one line to make sure that the clip that you've selected is at the same slow-mo speed. Of course, you want to slide this below the center horizontal line, as this makes the clip slower. If you want to adjust the slow-mo a bit and make other parts a little bit slower than others, you can adjust the vertical portion of that dot respectively. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to add slow-mo to your Instagram Reels or TikTok videos using CapCut on your smartphone. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.